Hi everyone! As the official regional focal point for Southeast Asia, the National Youth Policy Institute of South Korea and the Asian Regional Association for Career Development welcome audiences around the globe. As part of global and regional events, we will jointly run a webinar with the theme of career education and training in the aftermath of COVID-19. Specifically, we will discuss the challenges, practice, and initiatives of career-related education and training for young people and adults in South Korea, Japan, India, Pakistan, and Taiwan. In the case of Korea, Deans of Vocational High School will introduce an adaptation to the changes in the delivery of education and training, and they will also introduce an application of digital platforms and techniques in the field of education and career development in the aftermath of COVID-19. We encourage your interest and participation. The detailed schedule will be announced soon. Thank you.